Good afternoon. This is CRS year 2019 past question. Question number 25 says King Josiah was inspired to reform the worship of God in Judah by the dash A. Priest of Yahweh, B. Temple Secretary Safan, C. Workers repairing the temple, D. The content of the book of the law. The correct option here is option D. During the reign of King Josiah, the book of the law was discovered in the temple, and he read it out to their hearings, and they all concurred that they will follow the way of their Lord. So right from that time, he restructured the temple and the mode of worship. So we find this in 2 Kings chapter 22 verse 1 to 20. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.